This is now the proof of Euclid Book 1, proposition number 38. This is the final part. And Euclid gives us a few things. First of all, he says, now I know I drew equal triangles here, basically that you almost have to draw this in order for you to see it for yourself, but technically speaking, he doesn't exactly tell you that these triangles are equal. He does tell you that they are contained in two parallel lines, the first one being GADH, and the second one being BCEF. He then goes on to say that BC equals EF. And that's all he tells you. What he's wanting to actually do is then prove that this triangle here and this triangle here are exactly the same size. Now, the first thing he does, he says that BF over here is parallel to GH. Okay? And he says that BC, of course, is equal in size to EF. Now, he then goes on to say that BG is parallel to CA. And this is by proposition 1, it's book 1, proposition number 31. So, Euclid book 1, proposition 31 declares that BG is parallel to CA. He then goes on to say that ED and FH are parallel. And that's because of Euclid book 1, proposition number 31. Then he goes on to say that GBCA is a parallelogram and it's equal in size to parallelogram DEFH. And this is by Euclid book 1, proposition number 36. Alright. He then goes on to say that AB bisects parallelogram GBCA. And this is by proposition number 34. He then goes on to say that DF bisects parallelogram DEFH. And this is again by Euclid book 1, proposition number 34. Now, if we subtract this equal from this equal, we're going to have only left A, B, C, and D, E, F. And these two triangles will be exactly the same size. And that's what Euclid was trying to prove in Euclid book 1, proposition number 38. Stay tuned, folks. We are headed for Euclid book 1, proposition number 47, which is going to prove the Pythagorean theorem. We just haven't quite got that far yet, so stay tuned.